Alright guys, so a lot of people's been asking me what's up with my engine. So I've been really busy. I've been having a lot of projects that I've been doing on the side, but I finally got a chance to work on my car a little bit. It's coming along. It's taking forever because I'm taking my time on it, but then I'm really pushing it through. So waiting for all my parts for my head to come in, get my head to the machine shop, get it done, get it slapped on. But I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna be installing my oil pump. I'm running the Orbit. I was gonna do the 4-piston oil pump, but I don't have time for shipping, taking too long. I'm running the 1320 extended studs for the oil pan. Check it out. I'm gonna install that. I'm gonna be running the Fel-pro oil pan gasket. If you guys want to fix your leak on your Hondas, definitely pick up this Fel-pro gasket. It works really good. There's the part number. Look it up for B series. And then definitely check it out. It's reinforced so it doesn't leak. I'm gonna recommend torquing it down to spec 2. So check it out. I'm gonna be replacing with these studs right here. These are the 1320 extended oil pan studs. So they use an Allen. So we check it out. So I'm gonna replace all of them. Got my oil pan on. It actually sits pretty good. You see how this oil pan right here is reinforced so it doesn't collapse when you tighten it, and you can actually torque it down. So check it out.